While this video cannot cover all the steps needed to go through to prepare for homeschooling, here are some suggestions to help you deal with the legal side of homeschooling. Hello everyone, welcome to Ruth Straight Talk, the channel designed to help you, your students and your children live a fuller life, become lifelong learners, and develop into the awesome human beings you were designed to be. I'm Cynthia Ruth. In this video, I will share with you some steps to help register your child within the school districts and within the state. Also, don't miss my bonus tip at the end of this video. So let's get right to it. Keep in mind that it is the law and your responsibility to enroll your children in a school system, whether in public school, online school, or in homeschool system, until your child is at least 16 years old. And it is essential for you to meet those requirements. So here are some ideas to help you with this. First of all, know the law in your area. Every state and every school district have homeschool requirements that you should become familiar with. If you are not aware of the laws governing your area, you could simply call your school district. You can also research your state's laws by researching your state name plus Department of Education online. Once you are in the website, read the sections for homeschooling laws. And the Homeschool Legal Defense Association has a list of the state laws with interpretations and charts. You can also research this information for yourself at hslda.org. Search by state to see what laws are in your state, and you will also find an overview of what the state requires, as well as links to specific laws. Number 2, decide what steps you will take to meet the state and local requirements. Some states only require that you file a letter of intent to homeschool with your school district, while other states require you to participate in state standardized testing, reviews of the students' portfolios, attendance records, grade books, etc. Local homeschool groups can provide ideas and different options for meeting these requirements. Number 3, the letter of intent. So why is the letter of intent important? A letter of intent is also called the homeschool notification or your notification letter. It's simply the form you will fill out letting your school district know that you will be homeschooling your child. You should find a form for most counties on the school district website. Not all states require a letter of intent, but most of them do. Also, keep in mind that if you had your child already attending a public school system, that you may need to withdraw them from that school system as well as sending the letter of intent. It all depends on your school district and what is required to withdraw your child. Number 4, ask yourself, how do you want to homeschool? There are lots of different ways to homeschool, but the 3 most common modes of homeschool are co-op, umbrella, or traditional homeschooling. When you register with your school district, they may ask you what method of homeschooling you will embrace. In some states, this will determine what interactions you will have with the school district. The first mode of homeschooling is the cooperative, which is made up of several families who meet regularly at libraries, churches, community centers, or homes and work together towards similar goals. These goals could be moral goals, could be academic goals, could be religious goals. Some co-ops even do some academic classes together that are parent-led. Most co-op students, however, do most of their learning outside of the co-op group on their own. The second group is the umbrella group. Keep in mind that some states' umbrella schools fall under the homeschool laws, while others may fall under the private school category of laws. Umbrella schools vary from state to state, but overall, an umbrella school works as an alternative school that will oversee and make sure homeschool families are meeting government educational requirements. This can be helpful if your state has a lot of legal requirements for homeschooling. The third group is the traditional homeschooling. Traditional homeschooling means that the parent teaches the school district curriculum and makes sure that you are meeting the state requirements for homeschooling. Traditional education is defined as teacher-centered delivery of instructions to classes of students who are the receivers of information. The bonus strategy, student-chosen text. One way to make lifelong readers of your students is to allow them to choose the reading material. Students are given a choice of literature from age and reading level appropriate book collection. After the independent reading, students will break into groups and discuss what they've learned. Book club style, followed by journaling. This will help the students to delve deeper into the literature, develop critiquing skills, and share their reading passion with their peers. This is a very effective way to get your class engaged in reading and engaged in literature. So there you have it, several ideas to help your child succeed in school by meeting the requirements mandated by law in your state. Keep in mind also that as parents, you have the option to change into any educational program that is best suited for your child. If this video has been helpful to you, please like us at the bottom of the screen. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe so I can send you notifications when I post new videos. Also, I would love to hear from you about learning strategies or questions or tips that you have that you think my audience might enjoy. I would be happy to air them for you. Until next time, thank you so much for visiting with us at ruthstraighttalk.com. Happy learning and goodbye.